my god. You're so awesome, Lawrence Lim.
It's Lawrence Lim with the W. Pam, 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 pam.
Restaurant sa 17th Avenue, Southeast Calgary. Buffet tuwing Saturday at Sunday. Pagdating mo, amoy ulam agad. Pork crispy sisig sa unang subo. Beef kare-kare, malapot ang ginhawa. Dinugugan tahong may init sa puso. Balbakua, igado, salo-salo to. Bapis, paksiw na pompano ay grabe. Burger, steak, minced steak, pork with eggplant. Lahat nandyan, pulutan at saya.
Kung gutom ka, tara na. Huwag mo nang patagalin pa. May handa na may tawa pa. Sa bawat mesa may ligaya.
Restaurant, tara na. Buffet natin to sinta. Restaurant, tara na. Busog ka na sa yapa, pork, kare at sisig. Lahat sabay-sabay. Restaurant, tara na. Kain pa, sayaw pa. At pagkatapos kumain, hindi pa tapos. May egg tart, puto, cheese, pichi-pichi. Karyoka, tamis na kumakapit. Parang yakap sa dila mo, baby. 60 na tao, kasya sa handaan. Birthday mo, event mo, sama-sama. May karaoke, papangkantahan. Ikaw ang bida, buong tropa sumasabay.
Kung gusto mo ng saya, dito mo na dalhin ang barkada. Tawanan ka, ainan pa. Hanggang gabi may alaala.
Restaurant, tara na. Buffet natin to sinta. Restaurant, tara na. Busog ka na sa yapa, pork, kare at sisig. Lahat sabay-sabay. Restaurant, tara na. Kain pa, sayaw pa.
Hawak kamay sa mesa. Isang kanta pa.
Kumain, umawit, magdiwang. Sadya'y walang bitin na saya. Restaurant, tara na. Buffet natin to sinta. Restaurant, tara na. Busog ka na sa yapa, pork, kare at sisig. Lahat sabay-sabay. Restaurant, tara na. Kain pa, sayaw pa.
Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I am going to make a new video, so please whatever.
Hello friends, good morning. I am going to make a new video on my YouTube channel, and please subscribe. Please subscribe.
Subscribe.
Please
Subscribe.
please subscribe.
Get out of there, it's gonna blow! Bomb has been defused. Circle around back. Sector clear. Okay, team, follow my command. Get in position and wait for my go.
Coco Martin!
indispensable. Lawrence Lim got a million stories untold. From green jokes, conspiracies, and edits with flair. You gotta follow him, baby, if you dare. Your feed feels empty without his magic touch. He got the blues and the laughs that you crave so much. With a click and a follow, you'll find some relief. Lawrence Lim's social media, a digital belief. Click, subscribe, don't miss a trick. Now, hey, leave your worries and come on, click today. Lawrence Lim's got the content right in line. Follow him.